What if the biggest economic collapse in human history isn't in the distant future, but is actually starting right now? There's one simple indicator that has warned about every major financial crisis for thousands of years. That indicator is gold. And right now, gold is sending the loudest warning signal we've ever seen. Gold is much more than just a shiny metal. It's the oldest and most trusted store of value on Earth. When people have faith in governments and their currencies, gold tends to take a back seat. Money flows into stocks, real estate, and new businesses. But when that trust starts to fade, when people lose confidence in paper money like the US dollar, the euro, or the yen, they rush back to gold. Why? Because gold can't be printed out of thin air. It can't be inflated away. It has outlasted every single empire in history. Right now, gold is trading at its highest price ever. Think about that for a second. Never before has 1 ounce of gold been this expensive. This signals something incredibly important. Global investors. Major banks and even governments are quietly getting ready for a period of instability. Central banks all over the world are buying up massive amounts of gold. The reason they're doing this is to slowly reduce their dependence on the US dollar. For over 80 years, the US dollar has been the world's main reserve currency. Oil, international trade, and global debt are all priced in dollars. But that's starting to change. Countries are beginning to move away from it, and gold is stepping in to fill part of that role. Historically, when a global reserve currency starts to lose the world's trust, it marks the beginning of massive economic shifts, and massive shifts, almost without fail, create crises. Now, this doesn't mean the world is going to collapse tomorrow, but it does mean the entire system is under serious stress. The rising price of gold is like a bright red warning light flashing on the dashboard of the global economy. It's reacting to everything. Massive government debt, relentless money printing, persistent inflation, and rising geopolitical tensions. So, how do you protect yourself? The key is diversification. Don't rely on a single currency. Don't depend on just one source of income, and don't ignore the value of real, tangible assets. Take the time to understand what's happening in the financial system, because those who see the shift coming early are always the ones who not only survive, but often thrive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights.